Welcome to this video on integral calculus, where we will evaluate the integral of 1 over 1 minus x squared using the method of substitution. The integral we want to solve is the integral of 1 over 1 minus x squared with respect to x. Let's get started by taking a look at this integral and identifying the substitution to simplify it into an easier form. To start, let's choose an appropriate substitution that will make this integral easier to evaluate. Notice that the expression in the denominator is 1 minus x. A natural choice to simplify the problem is to set u equal to 1 minus x. With our substitution chosen, we need to differentiate u with respect to x to transform the differential dx. The derivative of u with respect to x is negative 1. This gives us du equals negative dx. With this, we can rearrange and substitute to write dx in terms of du. We get dx equals negative du. Now, we can substitute u equals 1 minus x and dx equals negative du into our integral. Our integral is transformed into the integral of negative 1 over u squared du. This is a much simpler integral to evaluate. Let's rewrite it in a more manageable form as the integral of negative u to the power of negative 2 with respect to u. Now, we integrate this expression. The antiderivative of u to the power of negative 2 is negative u to the power of negative 1, which simplifies to positive 1 over u. Don't forget the integration constant c. We express the integral in terms of u, but we started with a variable of x. We now need to substitute back u equals 1 minus x and replace u in result with 1 minus x. And there you have it. We've evaluated the integral of 1 over 1 minus x squared using the substitution method. We've transformed it into an integral with respect to u, evaluated it, and then substituted back to express the result in terms of x.